In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sprout Social Listening Tutorial. By the end, you'll know how to set up a listening topic, refine your results, and turn those insights into action for your brand or clients. First, log into Sprout Social and head to the listening section in the main menu. From there, choose Create New Topic. A topic in Sprout is simply what you want to keep an eye on: your brand, a niche keyword, a competitor, or even a campaign hashtag. Think of it as the container that gathers every relevant mention across supported networks. Next, create your listening topic by deciding exactly what to track. You can focus on your brand name, core keywords in your niche, competitor names, or industry hashtags. Add keywords and phrases that people are likely to use, and don't forget variations and common misspellings so you don't miss conversations. For example, if you're in the virtual assistant space, you might add terms like VA services, virtual assistant help, and hire VA Philippines. Using a mix of general and specific phrases helps you capture both broad trends and high intent chatter. Now refine your filters so your data is accurate and useful. Select the language you want to monitor, such as English, and add a location if geography matters to your business. Exclude irrelevant keywords that could pull in noise. This pruning step is key. It keeps your results clean and saves you time later when you're analyzing what matters. Once your topic is live, dive into the listening dashboard. You'll see core metrics like volume of mentions, engagement trends over time, sentiment breakdowns, positive, neutral, or negative, and popular keywords that appear alongside your terms. Watch for spikes in activity. Sudden jumps often signal a trending conversation, a viral post, or an emerging issue you should address quickly. Use these insights to spark content ideas. Identify frequently asked questions, recurring pain points, and conversations that are heating up. Turn them into practical posts, short-form videos like Reels or TikToks, carousels that explain a process, or quick tips that answer what people are already asking. From there, engage directly. Join threads where your keywords appear, reply to people who are looking for help, and build relationships by being genuinely useful. This approach earns trust and often brings clients to you without any hard selling. Keep an eye on competitors by adding their names as topics. You'll see what people say about them, spot service gaps you can fill, and position your messaging to stand out. If you've launched a campaign, track branded hashtags and mentions to measure audience response. These signals tell you what's working and where to adjust. Finally, optimize weekly. Remove irrelevant terms, add new trending phrases, and refine filters. Listening isn't set and forget. It gets smarter as you keep tuning it.